Hi, I'm Gabi. In today's video, I'm gonna make chocolate biscuits Milka style. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna make the vanilla biscuits dough. The method is in this video that I previously made. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. To this dough I'm making today, I'm gonna add baking powder that hadn't in the previous one. Place the plain flour, corn flour and cooking salt mixture. And combine very gently. Meanwhile, I'm gonna preheat the oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Put the dough into a piping bag. Cook for about 20 minutes or until the edges just start to brown. And leave cooling. The recipe yielded 984 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of vanilla biscuits. I'm gonna make two types of biscuit, milk chocolate and dark mint chocolate. For the milk one, I'm gonna weigh the vanilla biscuits. The milk chocolate, microwave 75% of milk chocolate for about 15 seconds at 900 watts power. Mix with the remaining 25% and temper between 29 and 30 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna dip the biscuits. And fridge for about 10 minutes or until the chocolate setting. The recipe yielded 186 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of milk chocolate biscuits. Now I'm gonna make the dark mint chocolate biscuits. I'm gonna weigh the vanilla biscuits. the dark mint chocolate, microwave 75% of dark mint chocolate for about 1 minute at 900 watts power. Mix with the remaining 25% and temper between 31 and 32 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna dip the biscuits. And fridge for about 25 minutes or until the chocolate setting. The recipe yielded 172 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of dark mint chocolate biscuits. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!